Hey, Mike with Marketing Systems by Design here, the channel where we help cleaning business owners generate more traffic, leads, and sales for their cleaning business with digital marketing. In today's video, I'm going to be walking you through 13 ways to improve your conversion rate on Facebook ads. So let's get into it. So the first thing that you want to do is define your ideal customer and target market. And this is actually very important because this is going to affect all aspects of your advertising. So that's the targeting, the interests that you're going after, the messaging, and even the offer that you're giving away to generate leads for your cleaning business. So you want to really figure out who your ideal customer is. What are their pain points? What are their interests? What are their problems? Some of their goals? In what ways would a cleaning service benefit their life? And more is really what you want to focus on and understand about your ideal customers and target market. The second thing that you want to do is pixel your website. This is incredibly important because you're going to use the data that you gather from Facebook ads to really hone in your targeting, improve your messaging, and pixeling your website is incredibly important. If you're not sure how to do that, just simply Google how to add a Facebook pixel to your website. Facebook has a blog post that actually walks you through that process step by step. So either you can do that yourself or you can have your website developer do that as well. The third thing that you want to do is make sure that you have a free quote page and a thank you page associated with that offer, because you're going to build audiences based on people that visit those pages. And then this can also help you optimize your ads for lead generation. And there's a whole lot more that goes into improving your Facebook ads based on having a specific quote page that you send traffic to, as well as having a thank you page that people go to after someone opts in to your free quote offer. The fourth thing that you want to do is set up a lead magnet for your cleaning business. Now, what is a lead magnet? Well, basically it's something of value that you offer for free in exchange for a name and email and potentially a phone number as well of your potential customers. And why this is so important is because not every person that visits your website is ready to hire your cleaning service the first time they come to your website. You know, a lot of people that you're advertising to on Facebook may never have even considered hiring a cleaning service in the first place. So if you bring them to your website, they might not be ready for a free quote, but if they see you have some type of lead magnet, some type of offer that they can download for free and get more information about your business, that can help you generate quality leads for people that aren't necessarily ready to buy immediately. So what should you talk about in your lead magnet? Well, again, depends on your ideal customer and who you're trying to serve. So if you have a residential cleaning business, for example, you might be talking about green cleaning products or cost savings guide, buying household cleaning products. Maybe it's a guide on cleaning hacks, various things like that. If you're a commercial cleaning business, there's all kinds of things you can do as well. So maybe it's a cost savings guide on facility management or a floor care maintenance guide or a bathroom cleaning guide, right? Think of your ideal customers, their pain points, what they want to achieve, what problems you can help them avoid. That's what you want to base your lead magnet around. And then also something that's congruent with your business, where it wouldn't be weird if you promoted your cleaning business on the back end. Because again, some of these people are more in research mode. And so once they get your free download, you can educate them, provide value, and then sell your cleaning services on the back end. The fifth thing that you want to make sure that you have as part of your Facebook advertising strategy is using employee photos, both on your website, in your ads, and on landing pages if you're using those as well. This is incredibly important because most people can spot a stock photo these days. So if they're coming to your website and they're just full of stock photos, you don't have legitimate employees on your page, most people are just gonna leave right away. That's one thing that we've run into working with clients, is that they just have a lot of stock photos on their page. So we can do all the right things to help them increase traffic, drive more people to their website. But when people get there and they see a bunch of stock photos, it really reduces trust with that potential customer. And so the more employee photos you can have on your page, employee testimonies, just saying how they like working there, happy employees, right? That does a lot to build trust with a visitor to your website. Because again, when you think of hiring a cleaning service, you're letting someone into your home or letting someone into your business, and they're strangers. And so you might be concerned that they're not trustworthy, or who are you letting in your home? Are they going to steal things? Are they going to break things? All these different things go through your mind when you're hiring a cleaning service. So if you can put people at ease by having employee photos, that goes a long way to get better results and improve your conversion rates in your Facebook ads. Along with that, another step that you want to make sure that you do, step number 6, is to actually use customer testimonials and customer reviews in part of your advertising strategy. Now, social proof is a powerful marketing strategy that can help you increase conversions and sell more in your cleaning business. So interviewing customers, videos are a great way to promote your cleaning business and sell your services without being pushy or aggressive, because all you're doing is just interviewing customers and asking them what did they like best about your services and your business. Another great thing that you can do along with this is have customers just share their story. Right? What were they doing? Why were they frustrated before they hired your cleaning service? What your cleaning service did to solve that problem, and what their life is like now. Those stories are very powerful, and they're going to resonate with other potential customers, and that can lead to a higher conversion rate for your cleaning business. You can also even use these videos to develop custom audiences based on people's behavior watching that video. So we'll talk about that more in a bit, but customer videos and reviews are very powerful and something you should use while advertising on Facebook. The 7th thing that you may want to make sure that you do is upload your customer list to Facebook and build a custom audience around that. And so one thing that a lot of people struggle with when it comes to Facebook ads is they're targeting the wrong people, or their targeting is just way too broad. You know, we've run into people where all they're doing is just advertising to women over 30, right? And that's the only narrowing of their audience that they do. And so it really targets too many people. They're not your ideal customers. It's just kind of like throwing your advertising at anything that moves and hoping that they're going to be interested in. So a better option is to upload your existing customer list to Facebook and actually build a lookalike audience based on that list. And so what that does is allows you to target your ads. Facebook does all the work on the back end for you and finds people that look and act and behave online just like your existing customers. And so what this does is it can help you lower ad spend and increase conversion rates, because the likelihood that these people are going to be interested is much higher than just random demographics that you choose and think could be a good fit. The 8th thing that you want to make sure that you do is choose the right goal for your Facebook ads. Now, Facebook ads have all kinds of different goals you can choose from. You could do a traffic ad, a lead generation, a messenger ad, a conversion ad, a reach ad. So there's a lot of different ones that you can choose from. Typically what we find with our clients, they get the best results with running messenger ads, and then also with traffic ads. Now, if you're just getting started and you don't maybe have a customer list yet or a large one that you can upload to Facebook, a traffic ad could be a great option to grow and promote your business, because it's going to get a lot of eyeballs to your site for a very cost-effective way, you know, compared to like Google ads, for example. Sometimes that could be anywhere from $8 to $15 a click for a residential company, and even higher for a commercial company, where you might be able to get clicks for under $1 going to your website with Facebook ads. And so what happens is, as people visit your website, like I had mentioned earlier, you're going to be sending them to your free quote page, and eventually some of those people will convert and become leads for your business and end up on your thank you page. And when you do this, you're actually eventually going to have the option to build lookalike audience based on those people, which is very powerful as well. So I'll come back to that in a bit. But again, just understand that choosing the right goal for your advertising is important, because that's what Facebook is going to optimize your advertising for. The 9th step is that you want to make sure that you have the right targeting. So again, you're going to be using these custom audiences, these lookalike audiences that you've built, but you can also narrow it down to specific zip codes that you want to target, most likely your cleaning business is targeting locally, right? You probably only have a service area that's in a few mile radius around your location. So you can do that. You can choose your specific address and build out radius around that address. You can target specific zip codes. You can also exclude zip codes if there's certain areas of town that you don't service for your business as well. So that can be very powerful. You can also target specific cities and areas around those cities as well, if that's another option that you want to do. The 10th step is actually writing the ad, writing the copy for the Facebook ad that you're going to put out there. And so a lot of people make the mistake of only focusing on the features of your cleaning business. Now, again, if you are running like a Google ad, for example, people are typically already searching for hiring a cleaning service at that point because you're targeting keywords. Well, Facebook ads are a little bit different. So if you're running a Google ad and people are searching for a cleaning business, yeah, you might be able to get away with just listing the features of your services, and you could get phone calls in that because people are already interested in searching for a cleaning service. Now, with those type of ads, they're typically a lot more expensive because they're a little bit more targeted, but at the same time, you're gonna limit yourself on who you can actually reach with your advertising. When you shift gears over to Facebook ads, a lot of these people maybe have never even thought about hiring a cleaning service, but they actually fit the right demographics of someone that would hire your cleaning service. Again, this is why it's important to have your messaging on point as well as your targeting, because if you're using those lookalike audiences we mentioned, you're going to be targeting the right people. They have a high probability of being a cleaning client of yours. Now, what happens is when you run Facebook ads, your messaging needs to be focused on benefits. So kind of a general outline that you can use is the first part of your ad is going to highlight some kind of problem or issue that your ideal customer is likely facing. So again, maybe they're spending too much on their floor maintenance. Maybe they're replacing their flooring too much. Maybe their building is just dirty. Or again, switching gears to the residential side, maybe they're just too busy to clean their home, or their life is too stressful and they want to relieve some stress by hiring a cleaning service. So talk about some kind of problem or issue that that ideal customer is facing in the first part of your ad. The second part of your ad is going to be talking about the benefits and what they're going to experience and basically avoiding that problem or solving that issue by hiring your cleaning service. And then the third step is going to be a call to action, which is basically just telling the person viewing the ad to go get a free quote, to visit your website, to learn more, to download your free guide, whatever the case might be. So again, the 3 steps are highlighting a problem or issue, sharing the benefits of your cleaning business and how it's solving that issue, and then the third step is a call to action to tell people to go wherever you want them to. So wherever you want to drive traffic to, that's where you point your third step in the call to action to. Now, the 11th step that you want to use that I've mentioned a little bit before is actually building custom audiences. So some of the main ones you're going to want to build when running Facebook ads. One is an audience based on the people that visit the free quote page. So as people visit there, you can build an audience based on that. And so you're going to be targeting people that are at least interested enough to click to learn more about getting a free quote on cleaning. So that's a great audience to be able to build a lookalike audience from. The other audience you want to use is a thank you page audience. Again, very powerful. That means somebody has actually become a lead, right? They filled out their information to get a free quote, and then they've landed on this thank you page. So building an audience based on that is very powerful as well. Another great audience you can use is actually going to be based on your customer engagement. So people that engage with ads on your post, people that have been to your website before, or people that have even watched a specific percentage of a testimonial video of yours. So if you're doing customer testimonies, video reviews, different things like that, you can build an audience based on people, for example, that have watched 50% or more of that testimonial video. And so if you started with that initial lookalike audience of your customer base, what happens at that point, it's looking like an audience of people that look like your customers, but then are also engaging with your content. And then it makes a very highly targeted audience. And so it's a great way to increase conversions and again, lower ad spend when you use an audience like that. And then if you haven't, uploading a customer list is another great option to build a lookalike audience from. So if you're just starting, brand new running Facebook ads, you don't have a huge customer list, you can use that to get some customers, and then again, build a list around that as well. The 12th step that you want to do to improve your conversion rate is use remarketing ads. And basically what these are advertisements that are targeting people that have already engaged with your content. So again, they've maybe watched a testimonial video or a portion of that. They've already been to your website before. They've seen your ads already. They've watched a portion of an ad. All these different things are great people to target because they've expressed some kind of interest. They may not have become a customer yet, but they're well on their way. And so you can just continue to have more exposures of your business with these people, and then that's going to help improve the conversion rate. And the cost is also very minimal as well because you're targeting a very small audience that is likely to already be interested in what you have. And finally, the 13th tip for you to improve your conversion rate with Facebook ads is to test, track, and monitor your Facebook ads. And it's one thing that is a little bit frustrating when it comes to running advertising is that you could have all the best intentions, you could have the best audience that you think is gonna work and that you think is gonna perform, but until you actually start running those ads and test and see what does work, you never really know. And so you want to be continually monitoring and testing and adjusting your ads and approving them based on the data that you get from the ads that you're running. And Facebook ads, running them for a cleaning business, it's a little bit of a process because you're gonna start with no data, and then as you continue to run those ads, you're gonna see what does work, and then you can improve on them from there. And so we know that's definitely a process, and that's why it's one of the services we provide to our clients here. So if you'd like to learn more about our Facebook advertising packages, click the link below this video. And then we've also put together a survey that you can fill out to really help us understand your cleaning business better. So if you want to improve your marketing, have us do the marketing for your cleaning business, be sure to click the link below this video to fill out that survey and schedule a call with our team. But if you're struggling for generating leads online for your cleaning business in general, we also put together a free training video all about the top 10 lead sources for cleaning business owners. So if you'd like to check that out, again, there'll be a link in the description below this video where you can access that free video training and learn the top 10 lead sources for cleaning business owners. But once again, guys, thanks so much for tuning in, and we'll talk to you more soon.